Hello everyone, I'm Xiao He. Today, I will explore a delicious home-cooked dish with you. Stir-fried pork with dried bamboo shoots. The main ingredient we are using today is Jack&King's bamboo shoots. I've heard it's delicious, crispy, and tender. So, let's find it today. Take out the bamboo shoots from the bag. After washing it, drain the water. Slice the spring onions, ginger, garlic, and capsicum frutescens, and then set aside. Slice the pork belly. Heat the wok and add oil. Stir-fry the ingredients until fragrant. Add the pork belly and stir-fry. Add the bamboo shoots and continue stir-frying for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a suitable amount of salt and light soy sauce for seasoning. Stir-fry for a while and then it's ready to serve. Wow, it smells so good. It looks very appetizing. Let's take a bite. The taste is absolutely delicious. Crispy, tender, and refreshing. Jack&King's bamboo shoots is made from tender bamboo shoots in deep mountains. It's nutritious, green, and free of pollution. The dish is not only nutritious but also delicious. Let's give it a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Jack&King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.